with the soap. And the soap that I'll be using today will be this one. I like this one by Suave because it's gentle, and always use one that's for kids. And I will be showing you guys how to clean your brushes with the on-hand one that you just go ahead and put on your hand like this. This one that I got on Five Below for $3, and it has the little stickies on the back. And then another one, this one's by Beauty Concepts, and this is just a makeup brush cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of the soap on here, and all my brushes that are in here, I'm just gonna go ahead and just wash them off. And I like to go through each of these cycles right here. So this one's like a straight one, this one has little curves, and then this one has other shapes. And I just go ahead and wash my brush there, and then I just go ahead and rinse it. And it's good as new. I go ahead and make sure I rinse it again. There you go. And also make sure you guys are cleaning the ends. You want to make sure you clean them. And this one's by Luxie as well. Didn't know that. Now. And I'm going to go ahead and use my little hand mat to clean it. And look at all the dirt that just comes out. And I'm just going to go ahead and rinse that away. You guys can also go ahead and use your hand. Just put some right here. Go ahead and put some in your hand and then just wash it away. Just in case if you guys don't have anything and you're on a trip and you want to wash your brushes, go ahead and just wash your brushes like that. So using this mat, I'm just going to go ahead and put it right here so you guys can see. And I'm going to go ahead and this already has, like I said, all the soap. But I'm going to go ahead and just grab some soap like this in my hand. I put some soap and I'm just going to put it all over here. And for this Luxie brush, you can see that's really dirty. I use it for foundation. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Some people don't like to clean this part of the brush because they think that it's going to ruin it, but not if you do it right. And I mean, you do want to keep your brushes clean overall. Look at how nicely clean it is now. And look at how nice and clean they look. Once they dry, they'll get their little fluff right back. And if you don't have like a holder like this one that I have right here, this one right here, you guys can just use a plain paper towel and just lay them all like this. So you can just lay them like that, or if you have the holder, then go ahead and use the holder. If not, just use a dry paper towel, or you can even use like a regular towel. So this is the spray by Beauty Concepts, and these are the two brushes that I'm going to try to clean. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray the brushes. And just clean it out. This one wasn't that dirty, so. And this one's infused with rose water. Alright, and I use really light shades for this one, so it's only like very little brownish. But as you guys can see, the brushes are now clean. And all you have to do is just dry them with the paper towel. And this one smells really pretty. It smells like rose. Alright, and I like this step only because I feel like it's really fast. So if you're traveling, I think this is a cool idea. Spray the brush. And this one I used for foundation, so clearly it's more dirty. And there you go. And it's clean already. And of course, clean the handle as well. And there you go. Now I'm going to try one that's a blush, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. And there you go, it's clean. And of course, clean the handle. There you go. And your brush is clean. And this one was used with the makeup brush cleanser.